Hi, class. Two things I'm going to speak on right now, and that concerns the, first of all, your problem-solving exercise, which was done in the first week. There were very good responses to it. What I was looking for in terms of an optimal response was a mixed one. That there was no single right or wrong answer to this assignment, as I think I've specified earlier. But I did expect that your response to this problem would include providing for some early retirement incentives for some of the older people in the organization. The older employees tend to be among the higher paid, and as a result, they can be a fairly significant draw upon the agency resources at a time of cutbacks. If they can voluntarily retire, and you can offer a range of incentives perhaps for them to do so, then it can be a kind of a win-win type of agreement. Also, for both senior staff, but more for your middle level, you might look at a cutback in hours and a resulting adjustment of salary for that. This should be framed in the language of shared sacrifice. And if you have a well-run agency with good people who feel a part of a larger working community, they might step up on this. And again, it can be kind of a win-win for people who, for example, are working mothers and or fathers who want to spend either more time with their families or with their children, or perhaps in pursuit of other interests. You can give them that opportunity by, say, a 30-hour work week, or a job sharing arrangement to where they are on doing the duties half-time, and then you have another member of the staff who is equally trained in that particular specialty or area, taking on the other half of duties. That would all have to be agreed upon, but it is a creative solution to this cutback issue, and again, potentially a win-win. The third area I was looking for was, of course, with junior staff and with interns and the like. These are people who are not generally paid very much, but can be considered to be among the more expendable. And again, you don't want to eliminate all of your interns and all of your entry-level staff all at once, because then you're eating your seed corn, and that can create all sorts of problems. Plus, it can distract your more productive members from doing, frankly, more important work than photocopying and filing. So you need to be judicious about this, but clearly there's a place that you can exercise some cutbacks there, including complete elimination of certain positions that are entry level but considered non-essential. So those are some of the areas that I was expecting a kind of a hybrid solution to the cutback issue. To the extent to which you did that, your scores should reflect that. Now moving on, we're entering week 3 of the course, and you see the pattern that we're using here is that there will be a number of weekly essays to be submitted, and these are drawn from material that you'll find in your various weekly folders, and the readings as well. Don't forget the readings. Now, let me introduce you to one of the topics that we're going to be getting into, which is the idea of emotional intelligence for managerial excellence, and specifically can this be taught? That'll be one of our first lessons for week 3. As always, you can always ask me if you have any questions about things, and don't forget that you do need to keep on top of the various assignments. These are concentrated courses, and hopefully you'll get into a rhythm of accomplishing the various assignments and the readings that are required to be done. Okay, good luck with all that. Look forward to seeing how it all goes week 3.